Welcome to our first lesson on Google Sheets. So, the first lesson is how to open up Google Sheets and how you'll be able to open up a new sheet and also save it. So without any further ado, just open up any of your web browser which you have on your PC or your laptop or any of your device. So as you can see that as it is named Google Sheets, so obviously Google or Google Chrome has more advantage over here because that is powered by Google. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is open up Google Chrome. And when you open up Google Chrome, you have this 6 or 9 dots over here which are known as Google Apps. When you click on these Google Apps, you will go down and over there you will find out Google Sheets. You can click on it and Google Sheets will open up. But if you're not using Google Chrome, what you're going to do is search for Google Sheets. Hit on enter and you have this option of Google Sheet Online Spreadsheet available. You can just try Sheets for work or go to Sheets. That's like totally up to you. So there are two different methods of how you will be able to open it up according to your desire. So I'm going to open up from over here so it will take me directly to Google Sheets. And even if you click it over here, try Sheets for work or go to Sheets, it's going to take you to the same place or the same section where you will be able to use Google Sheets according to your desire. Now, as we've opened up Google Sheets on your web browser, you have to keep in mind that Google Sheets, it only works online, but you can preview your documents or your sheets, which is known as spreadsheets, to be offline too. But there are a couple of different methods. Now, as we've opened up Google Sheets, now we're going to learn how we can make up a new spreadsheet. Now the first spreadsheet, if you've used Excel or seen Excel videos, then you already know how to open up a spreadsheet, right? So from here you have these options of blank and 4 of these templates to use: to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, and Google Finance Investment. Obviously there are a couple more templates too, but here we have these, okay? And if you want a blank one and start from scratch, just click on blank. So if you need a fresh one, just click on this. You can also see these 3 options, which is main menu. So now you can see that there are a couple of these options: docs, sheets, slides, and forms. Well, these are basically the same software which Microsoft uses. Let's say docs is Word, sheets is Excel, slides is presentation, and forms is the other one of Microsoft. Okay. Now from here, I'm going to click on blank. And when you click on blank, you will basically see the interface to be similar to Microsoft Excel. But a couple of the interface or a couple of the tools are kind of less, but it basically serves the purpose or does the work for you. You can also see there's files, there's edit, there's view, insert, format, data, tools, extensions, help. Well, basically you can use macros, you can use the same formulas of Excel over here too. So now you know how you'll be able to open it up or open up a new file. But when you go back and if you want to use a template, you can just select any one of them you want. You can search it up according to your desire. Let's say I want a monthly budget. So when I click on it, you will basically see that it will give me a pre-built template to work on so that it saves me a lot of time to not waste my time or use my time in making these kind of customs or customizations to my work. Okay, so I'm going to go back again and open up the last one. Let's say I want a to-do list. So just click on this to-do list and you will basically see that it will give me the same kind of thing such as my to-do list so that I can put in my own objectives or to-do list on here. Okay, so that I don't have to waste my time on making this presentation. I'm going to go back, and when you open up any of these sheets or let's say you made up a spreadsheet, and obviously you will see that on today it will appear up. You can see 6:09 p.m. I opened both of these. Okay, so you can just see that whenever you're working on any spreadsheet, all of that history will be saved up over here. And one thing or one advantage is sometimes you forget to save up your data, even though in the new Excel or new Microsoft Office softwares, it's already or like automatically saved. But a couple of times when you don't have data, you cannot save it, okay, or it doesn't save itself. And then when you get out or you have some power shortage or power outage, it doesn't save your progress, and then it becomes a hassle for you to, let's say, do the whole thing all over again and lose your progress. But one advantage over here is that you have to stay connected to the internet so that you can get access to Google Sheets, okay? And then you can preview it offline, but you need to have internet connection so that you can use Google Sheets. So you don't have any, let's say, any problem, or you don't have to worry about anything about losing your data, okay? So now you know how you'll be able to open up a new spreadsheet. Now let's show you how you'll be able to save it up. So you can already see when I open it up or make some changes, enter, you can see it is already saving and saved to my drive. So one thing is that you have to stay connected to the internet, also your Gmail account, okay, so that whatever data you put is going to save it up directly. You don't even have to press on Control S or any save button. It will save it directly. Whatever data you put, even if I delete it, it's going to save it up because that is my progress right now, right? So this is like very simple and very easy. So now you know that you have to stay connected to the internet. You have to stay connected to the Google account. Even though if you don't have Google account, you don't have to worry, because you can make up your Google account or connect your Google account so that you will be able to use it. So if you don't have a Google account, I'm going to be showing it to you right now how you'll be able to do that. So if you don't have a Google account, just click on this, or maybe click on sign in. First I'm going to do is go off the sheets. From there, I'm going to be clicking on any of the account I want to use. Now the first thing I'm going to do is going to be clicking on any of the account, or use another account if I have to use another account. So you're going to click on any one of the account you have, or make up a new account, and then you're just good to go. But here I already have an account, so I'm going to just click on any one of them and put in my password, and then I'm good to go. Then after you sign in your Google account, now you can see that I can access Google Sheets and also other apps which I have over here. Google Sheets, then we have Google Docs, and all of them, whichever one I want, because every progress you make gets saved up on your Google Drive. So hope you understood everything about this lesson. So now let's move on to our next lesson of Google Sheets. And if you're facing some problems, or if you find that I'm not able to help you out, then please let us know and we will guide you through the whole process.